さくてもいつか大きく響かせるため転んで傷つきまた起き上がれば新しい景色が広がるからスーパーマンになる方法なんて知らないだけどイメージだけはずっと完璧さレディゴー走り続けてレディゴーこのまま行けばきっとたどり着けそうじゃ夢のかけら掴み損ねたってがむしゃらにかき合ってって雨の朝も風も夜も越えてゆくのさもっともっと遠くへ
Hey guys, video game Brawlers here, PSA here. Today, I'm gonna boxing a Bakugan evolution. Bakugan. Baku-tin from Bakugan evolution. Clothing, Darkest Actinoid, 2 Bakugans, full Baku cores, and full cards. The back is here. I just bought from Kmart in Parkmore. It's cool. Okay, let's go open up here. Close up one. Okay, so here's our Bakutin here. Here's you see is Leonidas, Liz Fox, there's Colossus, and there's Warrior Whale. Okay, let's get open up Bakutin inside here. Ooh. Here's a 4 cards is 2 gay cards and 2 billet cards here. This is it. Cool. Here it is. Full Baku core here. And there it is. 4 Baku core, 2 Bakugans. We have Darkest Sectanoid and Darkest Pharaoh. There you are. Darkest Pharaoh. Amazing. Awesome. Alright, let's get started. First, the Bakugan here. First up is this Darkest Sectanoid. Darkest Sectanoid. This is silver, magenta, pink, purple, magenta, it's green, light green there. It's cool, silver, cool. Alright, Darkest Sectanoid is ready to roll. Ready? Oh, missed it. It's my fault. Alright, let's try it, get closer. Ready? Whoa! So here's our head to 4 wings, 6 legs, 2 wings, head, spine here, and there it is. 900 B powder. It's cool, amazing. What's all? And then is it Darkest Pharaoh. That's from Atchit's one, from Bakugan on mode OLEDs. Alright, Darkest Pharaoh is ready to roll. Ready? Whoa! So here's our head, 4 legs here, 2 wings, Pharaoh, tails here, and there's 600 B power. Is cool. It's fantastic cool. Okay, so these are 4 cards. Here include 2 gay cards and 2 billet cards here. To put these 4 Baku core into the Bakutin here. Okay, put these 2 Bakugans into Bakutin. Put these 6 Bakugans into Bakutin, and then put these lots of Baku cores, gay cards, and billet cards here. Put close lid, and voila! This is a Bakutin here. So this is a Bakutin from Bakugan Evolutions. Is from all Borderlands, and evolutions. Fantastic. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Click it to watch the video game Brawlers unboxing. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, click it to the bell, click it to the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok here. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye. And Bakugan Brawl.